To perform a uterus transplant surgery, first, doctors make a large cut in the lower abdomen of the donor woman. Then, the uterus is slowly separated from the surrounding tissues, arteries, and veins. The most difficult part is safely removing the tiny blood vessels, because these will later provide blood supply in the new body. Once the donor uterus is removed, the recipient's surgery begins. A large cut is also made in the recipient's lower abdomen. Then doctors carefully separate the damaged uterus from the surrounding tissues, ligaments, arteries, and veins, and remove it from the body. After that, space is prepared inside the pelvis, and the new donor uterus is carefully placed inside. Now comes the most critical step. With the help of advanced microscope-like technology, doctors connect each artery and vein one by one, so that blood flow can start again in the uterus. And as soon as blood circulation returns, the uterus slowly starts turning pink, which is a sign that the organ is becoming active again. After that, the uterus is connected to the vagina, and with the help of stitches, the entire organ is securely fixed inside the pelvis. Once the surgery is complete, the patient is kept under intensive monitoring, so that the body does not reject the new uterus.